How to know how much you bought in a month. This is what we want to finish with. To show how much we bought, when we bought it, and who we bought it from. How to know how much you bought in a month. Bookkeeping for Creative Series Part 2 of 4. Important. Don't confuse buying or ordering goods with paying for goods or services. Remember, what you bought in a month is not necessarily what you paid out in a month. You may not yet have paid for goods or a service, as the supplier may have given you 30 days credit. You need to keep separate records for both what you buy, goods or services, and also what you pay for, when and how much money was actually paid out. Money you pay out to suppliers is recorded in a separate book. To start recording what you bought, you need a book or a page ruled with the column headings as shown. We can see the headings date, supplier, reference number and total. We will also put the month and year we are recording at the top left hand corner of the page, so we can easily identify the month. We are dealing with buying information. Let's think what we need to record. 1. The date of the purchase invoice. 2. Who billed us, that is, supplier's name. 3. To easily identify every purchase invoice, we have given each invoice a unique reference number, which we also record on the page. 4. Finally, the amount we were billed by the supplier. We are dealing with buying information, so for example, what we need to record. The date of the purchase invoice. Who billed us, the supplier's name. To easily identify every purchase invoice, we give it a unique invoice number, which we also record. The amount we were billed by the supplier. Here is information from another purchase invoice, invoice number 101. We are recording the relevant information in our purchase invoice daybook, the sheet or page you are writing on. Let us record the remaining purchase invoices for the month. Who we bought from in September. At a glance, we can now see which suppliers we bought from. Here are all the suppliers and their names. The reference number. We can look back at this number if we have a query. Each invoice has been given a unique reference number. The total value of the invoice. We want to know the value of our purchases, so we need to record this value. So now we have the total of every invoice and an overall total for all our purchases. So now we can ask questions and get answers. How much did we buy in September? What was the value of invoice 101? Who did we buy from in September? So now we have our second important financial number. Purchase for the month were $915.50. Next up, recording money in. How much money did we receive? Our third number. You will find this on a separate video. Learn more. There will be videos released later that deal with more advanced topics on recording purchase invoices. One of the advanced topics will be how to analyze what you bought into different types of costs and expenses as shown below. We're now using headings to analyze the costs and expenses. This is episode 2 of 4 in an introductory series explaining the 4 numbers of sales, purchases, money in and money out. The expanded version has 16 episodes and also deals with sales tax, profit, cash flow and more. For more information, go to anythingbutbookkeeping.com. Thank you for watching.